Unlocking idioms. Shoot the puck, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only popular in sports but also in everyday English conversation. Shoot the puck. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to broaden your idiomatic understanding or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Shoot the puck is a phrase directly borrowed from the sport of hockey. In hockey, shooting the puck refers to the action of hitting the puck with the stick, aiming to score a goal. However, when used as an idiom outside of sports, it means to take action, make a decision, or take a chance on something. It's about moving forward with purpose and not hesitating. The phrase, shoot the puck, originates from the ice hockey game, a sport known for its fast pace and the need for quick decision-making. The idiom captures this essence of making swift decisions and actions. It's commonly used in contexts where someone might be hesitating or overthinking a situation. By saying, shoot the puck, you're encouraging them to go ahead and take their shot, metaphorically speaking. To help you understand how to use shoot the puck in conversation, let's look at some examples. Encouraging action. You've been talking about starting your own business for years. It's time to shoot the puck and make it happen. Motivating a decision. If you think she's the one, you should shoot the puck and ask her out. Prompting a risk. I know investing in the stock market can be scary, but sometimes you just have to shoot the puck and see what happens. These examples show that shoot the puck is versatile, encouraging action in various scenarios. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, shoot the puck, and how you can use it to encourage action, decision-making, and taking chances in English conversation. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to make your English more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to shoot the puck in your English learning journey. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.